Hey, I'm Gaelin McBride with Metrix Coin. So I'd like to talk about some interesting news I came across and what I think that implies. This was brought to my attention by Crypto Freak Network, and this piece describes the major rise in Bitcoin-based IRAs, and they're on their way to reaching $1 billion. Now I'll leave the reference links below, but what really intrigued me about this was because I just had a conversation with my business partner about the future of the global markets, the economy, and the subsequent effect that recessions can take on retirement-based funds such as IRAs, pensions, or 401ks. Now, fundamentally, there hasn't been any changes with how these traditional funds operate even after the 2008 crash, and that leads to legitimate concern that history will repeat itself. And if you could put yourself in that position and actually imagine being a few years away from retirement, only to have your retirement fund dramatically reduced by 30, 40, or even 50%, it would be absolutely devastating. Now, we're witnessing growth in the Bitcoin-based IRAs, and that suggests that these fund managers are potentially beginning to see more substantial or sustainable value in the digital assets than they do in stocks and bonds. Now, this reminds me a lot of 2018, when news outlets were reporting about large Bitcoin OTC deals taking place with hedge funds, and that left investors absolutely puzzled as to what that meant for the market. And was it even beneficial because they didn't actually see any kind of significant market gains from it. But OTC deals are typically a set premium price for bulk purchase off of the market. So when I saw funds purchasing copious amounts of Bitcoin at $3,000 to $4,000 range, that suggested to me that they had expectations of price increase. And that's exactly what happened. Now, in my opinion, when seeing the rise in Bitcoin-based IRAs, that reflects the exact same thing. And when following these trends, they can act as a good indicator to what future movements the market's going to make and where we will collectively be. But those are my thoughts. You tell me what you think.